Hey Goldie, Siam here. So we absolutely got smashed out of that euro dollar trade, which was rather unfortunate. We got in on this daily Lambo around sort of here. So at one point we had three trades and they're all around sort of 200 odd pips up, and then we had that bad news data. Market's been smashed down. So hey ho, I've only lost 1%, so again, yes, it is annoying because the last few Lambos now have gone well and then gone shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna carry on doing what I do. So don't be lured into the into tweaking the rules, because some of you may be thinking, oh, well, all the last few Lambos have been 100, 200 pips up before it's bombed out. Why don't we just snatch at 100 or 200 pips? So just don't do that, because you're limiting your potential profits. However, there is a trade I have been stalking for a fair while. We've got a Looney Swissing. Basically, it's been in this range for most of 2016, and if you look at the big picture, so going back to sort of 2000 and sort of 2012, I mean, when you really look into this, we're in this big downwards trend. We have some form of compression here on the huge scale, so something big will be happening anytime over the next 7 months or so. There's not much time really. From I reckon within 6 months we'd see something happening here. Now, technically speaking, this is a reversal, so the market there's more the high probability that the market will bounce to the upside. And when you look at this trend line here that I've drawn, it coincides nicely with this range that we've been going through, this sort of downwards channel. I'll just get rid of this because it's confusing. And you can see it coincided right with this around here, and then the market is really shot up from it's gone back to this level here. However, I'm looking at a shorting trade here. So yes, this could be breaching out now. But the thing is, I doubt it's going to continue like this for too much longer, and the main reason being is that we got this level here, this 7230 level. It's weird that it's not on a 50 level, but anyway, there's this this resistance here. So you can see it's pivoted off this level here. It's come back around, so it's got a nice gap here, and then it's really strong here, bounced back down, and on that bounce we had a good sort of 300 odd pips. And again, it's smashing into this level again. And whenever a market smashes into a resistance level like this, it's quite strong. Remember, when a market is smothering it, that's when it's weak. But this is going to be quite strong. So I want to short this, and I want to short it with a vengeance. So I am literally going to be placing. Yeah, I mean, I'll have an 80 pip stop with this one, and then I'm gonna double entry this around here, and I'm expecting it to bounce back down to actually. Okay, I'm only gonna do one trade here, mainly because I think if this does come back down, it's probably gonna this level here, this resistance level now support is gonna be a big. Interesting level on the 7600 level, so I'm going to have a tight stop there. I'm only going to risk 0.25%, so I'm going to have a stop just above the 750 level, and then I'm going to take profit here. I'm not going to be looking to try and see if it gets all of this profit here, because it's too much of an unknown. So I'm just going to pause the video there and place the trade, and then I'll resume it. Okay, so I've just placed a trade, and basically I've put an entry, and just get rid of this line here, I've put an entry sell order at this level here. We can see the market has hit this. I just want to eke out a few more pips just to before we get activated in. And then we have a 40 pip stop just above the 7750 level. I mean, I may be expecting a few little spikes into this territory here just to get people out, but hopefully this is a wide enough stop, and hopefully, well, not hopefully, if we are stopped out here, it's all pretty fair to say that it's not bouncing off this level. So, and I've got my limit down here, so I'm risking 0.25% again. So I'm risking about that. Yeah. So in terms of triple R, 1161 divided by 374, it's a 3R trade, 3.1R, if it works out. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Toodles. Oh, I'll see you all at the Christmas party tonight. There's about 110 people coming now. So yeah, it'll be fun. Toodles. Bye.